Hi everyone, I am Praveen Kumar, MTech first year in Indian Institute of Technology, Tirupati, under Electrical Department. Today I am going to explain about 3D slicer by using one example, that is pre-dental surgery. Okay, let me download the sample data for pre-dental surgery part. Sample data and pre-dental surgery. I am downloading the sample data. Okay, look at these pictures. These are all three views of our region of interest parts. This one is the axial view, this is the coronal and sagittal view. Now I am interested in a row of teeth part. That's why I am adjusting in axial view like that. We are able to see the entire row of teeth. Let me adjust. Let me finish this one. Okay, now it's okay in axial view. In coronal view also, I want to adjust something. Okay, it's okay in coronal view. And lastly, sagittal view also. I am adjusting. Let me finish this thing. Okay, now it's okay. After that, I want to create a 3D model of our region of interest part. Pre-dental surgery part means mainly we are focusing on only row of teeth part. So for that purpose, I am creating a 3D model of row of teeth. Okay, firstly, I am going to volume rendering module to create a 3D model and to adjust our region of interest part. Let me enable the 3D volume, 3D model of our interest. Just look at this picture. This is the 3D model of our region of interest part. Let me centralize this coordinate. Okay. Now it's okay. And these are many models, CT scan, MRI scan. There are many models are there in 3D slicer. Let me take one model, that is MRI scan. And now it's okay. By adjusting this shift, I want to adjust like we are able to adjust like to see our region of interest. Now it's okay. Let me zoom in our region of part. Okay. Now look at this picture and clearly observe this one. Clearly observe there is a metal clip over there in teeth over there on row of teeth. In mostly many surgeries for dental surgeries, many people are using these metal clips for proper visualization of a row of teeth. So here in this 3D model also there is a metal clip. Now I'm enabling this crop volume to crop our region of interest part. Let me finish the crop in all views. Let me complete this thing. Now it's okay. I'm cropping in all views. Our region of interest was cropped, and some contrast also. I'm setting some contrast for clear visualization of our region of interest. After that, I'm selecting our region of interest part by using one module called crop volume. Crop volume. Okay, let me apply the crop volume. It will take some time. Just wait for 1 minute. Now it's okay. Just look at this. Look at in all pictures. In axial view, there is a row of teeth and coronal sagittal. In all views, our region of interest was cropped. After that, I'm highlighting our region of interest part by using some threshold effects. For that purpose, I'm enabling one module called editor module. In editor module, okay, let me click OK button. In editor module, firstly, I'm selecting our region of interest part as teeth. I'm selecting the teeth part, and after that I'm adjusting threshold effect Let me apply. Sorry, I want to adjust the threshold effect. Let me adjust the threshold effect. Now it's okay. Total, our entire region of interest was selected, highlighted. The high density part, total high density parts also selected, and let me apply. Now it's okay. And after that, I'm disabling the 3D model of our region of interest in volume rendering module. Let me disabling crop volume also. Why? Because we are already select our region of interest part. Okay. Let me go to the editor part. Previously we are in. Let me select our region of part. This one, make a model effect. By clicking this model effect, let me apply. Just wait a second. Now look at this picture. Our region of interest was created in a 3D model. This one is our region of model. Okay, I want to enable some cropped volumes also. Okay, these are our cropped volumes of region of interest, and this is the 3D model of our region of interest. To save our region of interest part, I'm enabling interested in teeth. So that purpose, I'm selecting only teeth VTK file. I'm saving. Yes, save. Okay, like this, I'm creating 3D model in 3D slicer. I'm thanking you all.